Hello, everybody. For this challenge, we're going to be changing all of these numbers to currency. Now, to do this, we have to press on one of the numbers on the table, and then I'm going to use the keyboard. However, you could do this using your mouse pad as well, if it's easier. Now, you're going to hold the shift button and then use the down arrow and press each cell that you want to select. Now, to do it for the rest, you can do a little shortcut and do Control Shift at the same time, pressing the right arrow once. Now, once you do that, it selects everything. Now, under the Home tab in Number, in the area Number, you select the down arrow, and after that's selected, you go down to Currency, and once that's selected, it turns all these numbers into currency. Now, still under the Home tab, you want to go under Font, and then under More Borders, you press the arrow, and then you press on More Borders. And then since they want you to change the color to green instead of black, you press the down arrow, and then you look for the color that says green. Now, this is a really important step because you want to make sure for the exam, you're pressing on the color that the exam is asking you to press on. So for example, if they're asking you to pick the color dark teal accent 1, darker 50%, you're going to want to pick that color because if you don't, you're going to get points taken off of your exam. Now, since they're asking for green, we're going to press green, and now your color is green. Next, under Presents, you're going to press Outline and Inside. Now, the image here is showing that everything is selected on your table. Now you're set to go. Now you press OK, and now everything is how you want it to be.